Cool Coolers by Fit plus fresh 5-pack days of the week. Ice Blocks is a versatile and convenient product that offers an excellent solution for keeping your food and drinks fresh during outdoor activities, particularly picnics. With its rainbow color and sturdy plastic material, these Fit plus fresh ice blocks are not only functional but visually appealing as well. One of the standout features of the Cool Coolers is their lightweight design, which makes them easy to carry and transport. Whether you're heading to the park, beach, or any other outdoor destination, these ice blocks are a reliable companion to keep your perishable items chilled for longer periods. Another notable feature of these ice blocks is their leak resistance. This ensures that there are no messy spills or unwanted moisture seeping into your picnic bag or cooler. You can have peace of mind knowing that your food and drinks will remain fresh and dry throughout your outdoor adventures. The Cool Coolers are also insulated.
The Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh. 4-pack. Slim ice packs are a versatile and convenient product that caters to adults of all ages. With a brand name known for quality, these ice packs offer a reliable solution for keeping food and beverages cool. One of the standout features of this product is its reusability. With a total of 4 ice packs in the pack, you can use them repeatedly for a prolonged period. This not only saves you money in the long run, but also reduces waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The slim design of these ice packs makes them easy to carry and fit into various containers, including lunch bags, coolers, or even gym bags. This portability ensures that you can keep your food and drinks at the desired temperature wherever you go. Fit and Fresh, a well-established brand in the market, has consistently delivered products of high quality, and the Cool Coolers 4-pack slim ice packs are no exception. These ice packs are made with durable materials.
This review is based on my personal experience and knowledge as an experienced product marketing expert. Today I would like to share my thoughts on the Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh 4-pack XL Slim Ice Packs, a product that I recently had the opportunity to test out. The Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh 4-pack XL. Slim ice packs are an excellent addition to any individual's or family's collection of food storage accessories. This set of ice packs comes in a vibrant and attractive multicolor design, adding a touch of fun to your cooler bag or lunchbox. One of the standout features of these ice packs is their slim design. They're perfectly sized to fit easily into any lunchbox or cooler bag without taking up too much space. The slim profile allows for more room to store your food while keeping it fresh and cool throughout the day. Made from durable plastic, these ice packs are built to last. The material is of high quality and feels sturdy in hand.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Fit and Fresh Cool Coolers. 4-pack slim ice packs. Review: in today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and efficient cooling solution is essential, especially when it comes to keeping your food and beverages fresh. That's where Fit and Fresh Cool Coolers 4-pack slim ice packs come in. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that these ice packs offer exceptional performance and quality. The Fit and Fresh Cool Coolers 4-pack slim ice packs are designed and manufactured by the renowned brand Fit and Fresh. This brand is known for its commitment to providing reliable and innovative products that enhance the everyday lives of its users. One of the standout features of these ice packs is their vibrant and eye-catching multicolor design. The use of multiple colors not only adds a touch of fun and personality, but also makes them easy to locate in your cooler or bag. This is particularly useful when you're on a camping trip or other outdoor activities.
The Fit and Fresh-shaped slim ice packs are a great addition to any lunchbox, especially for those who need to keep their food cool and fresh. These ice packs are not only functional, but also visually appealing with their adorable penguin shape. One of the standout features of these ice packs is their compact size. With dimensions of 2.5 into 5 into 6.5 inches, they fit perfectly in any lunchbox without taking too much space. This makes them ideal for both children and adults who are conscious of maximizing the available area in their lunch bags. In terms of weight, these ice packs are lightweight, weighing just 15.2 ounces. This means that they won't add unnecessary bulk to your lunch bag, allowing you to carry them effortlessly. The Fit and Fresh shaped slim ice packs are made of high-quality plastic material, ensuring durability and longevity. They are designed to withstand everyday use and can endure the rigors of being tossed around in a lunch bag without any damage.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.